Embedded temp-fast connector installation. Prepare the optical fiber cutting knife, coating layer stripping line sighting device, the template, opener for back over, optical cable strip clamp, absolute alcohol white paper, optical cable, fast connector. Firstly, please open the picking up the fast connector. Use the wing cable stripping clamp. Stripping the optical cable, the length about 50 mm. Use the coating layer stripping lines sighting device. Stripping the 0.25 mm of coating layer. Using the absolute alcohol wipe edge. Please use the finger flap 2 times. Ensure the optical is not broken. Please take the optical cable, insert the template, aim at the embedded place. Please use the optical fiber cutting knife cutting the fiber. Keep the length about 32 mm. Open the fast connector back over. Insert the optical cable in the middle of the grid hole. Please take the optical cable, insert the fixing groove. Take the optical cable, tilting 30 to 45 angle into the fiber core, touch with the embedded fiber core, draw back 2 to 3 mm, then forward lead. Above operation 2 times. Ensure the fiber core touch with the embedded fiber core. Ensure the optical cable insert the fixing groove. Ensure the fiber have a lateral bend. Close the back cover. Ensure the cover is closed. Extract the sheet. Put on coat. The end. Repeat installation. Take off the coat. Use the opener open the back cover. Take the opener insert the fast connector body. Open the fiber fixed position. Extract the fiber of before. Insert the new fiber. Operation in details, please look into the show before. Close the back cover. Ensure the cover is closed. Extract the sheet. Put on coat. The end.